Confession time. I used to let money slip through my fingers like sand. Payday seemed like a feast, but days later I was scraping for scraps. One day, it hit me. If I kept hemorrhaging my finances, I'd never achieve the freedom I craved. So what's the lesson? It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. You say you want financial stability. Prove it. Track every cent you spend today, not tomorrow or next week. Now, start with one habit. Replace that expensive coffee with a homemade brew. Feeling overwhelmed? That's your cue to recalibrate, not retreat. Break it down into bite-sized steps. Set up a simple budget. Split it into categories you actually care about. Essentials, savings, leisure. Create a calendar alert to review it weekly. Make this non-negotiable. Build alliances with others who hold high standards. Tell them you're elevating your game and agree to periodic check-ins. Yeah, it's uncomfortable, but pressure shapes the diamond. The world around you is full of traps tailored to empty your bank account. Today's news of industry giants like Disney found in legal squabbles is a reminder. Even giants have to defend their stakes. Meditate on this harsh truth before another day slips away. Your actions must tell the real story. Steer clear of excuses. Stop leaning on the crutch of external circumstances. Commit to intercepting the next impulse buy, the unnecessary spend. This isn't about deprivation. It's about building a fortress of intention around your life. Make a single choice today that your future self will thank you for.